Hi, this is Alex Gomez, and in this presentation I will speak about SEO, that it means Search Engine Optimization. The best way to define what is SEO is doing a little introduction. Today, every business needs to have a website on internet. Every business needs to have accounts on the main social networks. On the other hand, people, when needs a product or a service, the first action that they do is search information on Google. Then the question is, why do you need SEO for your business? You need SEO to be on top of the Google PageRank. But what happens if you are on top of the Google PageRank? You can get more quality traffic in your website and then you can get more sales. For this reason, all the business wants to be there. But it's not easy to be on top of the Google PageRank. You have to follow different factors. Which are the main SEO factors to position your website on top of Google ranking results? I will tell you on the next slides. Before to speak about which are the main SEO factors, it's important to know how it works Google. Google uses robots that crawl constantly websites and analyze many factors. These factors are related with quality content, user experience, and other technical matters. Then, if you apply these Google factors in your website, Google likes your website and put you in a better position in Google. Then the SEO factors are the actions to apply these Google factors. Now let's go to speak about the SEO factors. The first one is to have a page structure simplified. This is very important because the user needs to find the information in an easy way and a few time. And if you have a page structure simplified, this can be possible to find the information in a fast time and in an easy way. Then the next factor is the loading time of your website. This time needs to be fast because if the user detects that that have to wait to view the different page of your website, they will say, okay, I go out from this website and I go to another website. And then another factor is to find and fix duplicate content. It's important to check if you have duplicate content because Google don't like it. For Google, that it means that you don't have enough quality content or enough content, and then you need to repeat the content. For the reason, you have to check and delete the duplicate content. More SEO factors. The next one is to have a mobile-friendly website. Today, the majority of users use mobile phone when they surf the internet. For this reason, it's very important to have a special version of your website, a mobile phone version. The screen of the mobile phone is smaller. For the reason this version have to be simplified, because then the users will have a good user experience if they visit your website using mobile phone. The next factor is to have backlinks. Backlinks are links located in other websites that go to your website. Google likes if you have backlinks because that it means that the content of your website is very interesting, and for this reason different websites decide to connect with your website. The other factor it's related with cybersecurity, and because today you need your website have to be a safe space against hackers. For this reason, you need to have a SSL certificate. That this certificate uh, encrypt the information between the server and the user. Then that it means that the information that travels between the user and your website, it's safe and it's secret. For the reason, Google likes if your website it's a safe space. The next SEO factors it's about internal links. Google likes if one user visit the website and then visit other pages of the same website. That it means that the content of your website it's very interesting. For this reason, uh, it's important to provide the possibility to the user to visit other pages of the same website. Then you can publish internal links in the different pages of your website. For example, inside the text, or in the starting, or in the ending, or in another strategical places of your website. Because if the user remains more time in your website and visit different pages of your website, Google will like it and will put you in a better position in the page rank. The next factor it's about broken link. Broken link it happens when you click a link and when you arrive to the page, this page don't exist. When it happens, usually appear a message that says 404 sorry page not found. This happens because in the same website sometimes you can create new pages, but also you can delete all pages, and it happens that you can forget to delete the links that went to this page that now don't exist. The name of this when it happens is a broken link, and Google don't like broken links. For this reason, you have to check if you have broken links in your website and delete these broken links. One of the most important SEO factors is the keywords policy. But what is a keyword or keywords? Keywords are the words that users of Google use to search information about your business. Then you have to analyze which words related with your business users search. For example, in this presentation, we have to learn English. To learn English are the keywords. Keywords related with business that teach English. But this is only one possibility because we can have more possibilities to learn English in Barcelona, to learn English online, to learn English vocabulary, to learn English in 6 months, uh, English Academy, English School, and more possibilities. Then you have to study all these options and decide which words are more related with your business or with the products or service that offer your business. Then, when you have decided which keywords are better for your business, you have to position these keywords in your website. The best places to put these keywords are in the title, in the URL, and in the text. We can see an example related with the example of the last slide, that was the keywords to learn English. One of the links was from the British Council website. If we open the link, we can see that the keywords that were to learn English or learn English are located in the title, in the URL, and in the text. Position the keywords in the correct places of your website helps you to connect better with the Google search results. Okay, these are the main factors. SEO works to apply all these factors and position your website in the first places of Google search results. Thank you for your attention.